Hello, in front of me I've got OUKITEL C33. In this video I will show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter security. Go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is non and now swipe. Now let's select password. To create it, enter at least 4 characters. Next, let's select PIN number, and to create it, enter at least 4 digits. In the end, let's select pattern, and to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, let's go to fingerprint manager, add fingerprint, and now you scan your fingerprint on the fingerprint sensor located on the back of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done, and now you can use your fingerprint to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face unlock, set up face unlock and scan your face via front camera. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it for unlock methods. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.